Hey kids, ready for another magical adventure? Join our brave red dragon, wise blue dragon, and swift green dragon as they protect the light of the lantern tree. One evening, the dragons heard about a mystical tree that bore lanterns glowing with a gentle light, said to guide lost travelers safely home. The wise blue dragon explained that the lantern tree's glow was fading, and without it, those who became lost would never find their way back. The dragons set off through the misty forest, searching for the lantern tree and its dimming lights. Finally, they found the lantern tree standing tall and proud, its lanterns glowing softly but flickering like candles in the wind. The brave red dragon gently touched one of the lanterns,